Just arrived in Amsterdam and we are going to get a taxi so we can get to our hotel. So right now we're just at the airport still. We just got our baggage, and so it's really nice here. I'll show you around. It's Christmas time. We just arrived in Amsterdam not too long ago, and we are just walking around because our room is not ready. So we're here for a Christmas market river cruise, which leaves tomorrow. So today we're just gonna hang out here in Amsterdam, and we're gonna go to the Anne Frank Museum. And I don't know what else we're gonna do while we're here. We went to a bookstore already, and we're staying at the Banks Mansion. What else? What do you think? I think we're gonna get a tattoo. We're gonna get a tattoo. Our first tattoo. And something that we can say that we've been here before. So yeah, I came here in 2019, and when we came here, I didn't get a chance to walk around on our own. You like it? It's too soft. Or just a taste. All right, tell the people where we're eating at, because I can't say it.
We're at Panacookton, the Carousel. I don't know how to say it.
However you say this right here. And what are you having?
I am having a Dutch pancake with ham, cheese, and mushrooms.
I am having a strawberry pancake. And these are
Hoffagetti.
so these are like mini pancakes. So you'll see the pancakes and butter and powdered sugar, and then whipped cream right there. So, bon appetit. We just got finished eating breakfast, and now we're walking to the Anne Frank Museum. So it's about a 30-minute walk. So we're gonna definitely get our steps in today. And after that, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Maybe catch up on some sweets. I am sleepy. Today is our first full day in Amsterdam, and we got up and had breakfast at the hotel. It was pretty good. And now we are walking to the Heineken Museum. We have a tour there today. That's what we're gonna do today. And this is where they come. All right, well, I guess that's it for now. We will see you when we get to the museum. We're getting ready to taste beer. Sorry, with Heineken.
All right. No, we've got plenty of that with Heineken. It's actually tourists. We're going to transform each and every one of you into a lovely, golden, scrumptious Heineken that I would definitely not contractually like to say to you. How? Through the power of this room right here. So in a minute, these doors will open up. You will now be in the virtual kettle. You'll look up, the ingredients will rain down on you, will mix you up into that lovely golden.
Fruit waffle, fresh here at the Albert Market.
All right, taste it in. Tell us what it's like. You love it?
Good.
So here's the little shop right here. As we just go in and see what it's about. Chocolate ganache. So that wraps up our tips on what you can do in 24 hours in Amsterdam, but there are plenty of other things you can do. Those are just some of the things that we did and enjoyed. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips with us. So until next time, bye-bye.